Hey everyone, today we're gonna be checking out the new bundle, cause today's Thursday and there's new updates out, so let's get into it. Okay, first of all, we have the Best Friends bundle, and you can buy a Best Friends bundle in the shop. Celebrate Friends Festival, Friendship Festival with your style, with your bestie. So there's two of each of accessory, so you can share it with your best friend. It's cool. And polar bears are here. I think you should get these for they will be hard to find. Friendship Festival. I love this one. Plenty of amazing things are coming to the mall for the Friendship Festival, like the Friendship Cottage. Pick it up in the dining shop. And so, Friendship Festival. I'm gonna go there later in the video. Lucky day. It's not even spring, it's not even March. It's February. There's still snow on the ground. Weird. Anyways, we're gonna go to the dining shop. Let's see what they have. Geez, it must be easier to get this new bundle. Also, the kitchen items are out. Oh my gosh. That wasn't in the last bundle, was it? I don't think it was, but, oh god, I don't, I'm gonna buy this when I get enough diamonds, but, the polar bear has come out, so, yay! I'm gonna play some Friendship Festival or something. Wait a minute, what's in store? Wait. Oh my god. These are in stores? I need to buy every pair. Okay, got that done. I bought every single pair. Okay. We need to do, Friendship Festival. Envelopes until we get done. This is gonna take a long time. Special delivery. I don't know what I'm doing. Actually, This is gonna take a while. Whoa, was this here before? No, this wasn't here. No, okay, I only have 10 more to deliver. I got that done. What do I do now? I can't find anyone. Okay. What do I do? We have 3 more to deliver. What do I do now? Oh, whatever. And I got that done. What did I get? I got this, heartworm bed. Cool, that's cool. I'm gonna leave. I'm just gonna get the new den. I'm bored. Okay. So I'm pretty sure the new den is here. There it is. Friendship Festival. Let's preview it first. So the wood is kind of like a red color, I don't know. Actually, let's just buy it, I don't care. I bought it. Let me change my den. Okay, so I got the new den. It looks pretty sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it, and when that's done, I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm gonna decorate it now, so see ya. Alright, gamers, I think we got the den done. So here's the kitchen. Yeah, it was kind of hard, but, I made this, I really like this, that there, and like, I mean, some of the wood doesn't match. There's different shades of wood, so that sucks. Like this, and this, and this, it doesn't go together that well, so that sucks. Anyways, there are stairs that lead to nowhere. That's cool. I didn't know what to put here. Let me fix that. So, I tried to get the right wood color, and I tried to make it all match, but I tried. So, when you go up here, I made this painting session, I don't know. Let's go down the slide. Wee. I'll just slide in. Anyways, the outside. I put this is pretty much the outside. But yeah. So, what should we do? I don't really know what I'm doing these videos. I'm just gonna roll with it. Actually, I was too lazy to get this funnel, but you got to see this pretty cool thing. So, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.